So for this DIY, you're going to need some Pringle bottles, a wire container I got from Dollar Tree, some easel stands, also Dollar Tree, a photo frame, and foam board. So first off, I'm going to start by taking off the flimsy cardboard backing I have for my photo frame. I'm going to take it, put it on top of my foam board, trace it out, and cut it out. So now my foam board is going to be the new sturdier backing to my photo frame. I'm going to take my Pringles bottle and make a cut at an angle. This is going to hold my brushes and any of my tubed cosmetics. And once you're happy with the shape, go ahead and make a deeper cut to the length of your desire. As you've seen, I've taken the outer layer off because I thought I was going to paint it, but I realized it will be much more sturdier and easier to just duct tape it. So I've chosen pink duct tape to go around it on the outside as well as on the inside. Placing my circular thing on top of cardboard, cutting it out. This will now be my base for my little cylinders. I'm hot gluing that on top of it, and to secure it even more, I will be duct taping it later on. And now with both of my little cylinders done, I will be hot gluing them onto where I want them to be placed on my board. Next, I will be taking my easel stand, cutting out rectangular pieces from my foam board and hot gluing them on. To secure it even better, I will be going over with duct tape. And I also found an interesting piece of cardboard, this one, which I'll be gluing on to help secure my eyeshadow palettes from falling forwards, and this will be securing the back. So just rummage through your house and find anything you can recycle. And now I have duct taped it entirely with pink and it looks polished. So now I'll be hot gluing this easel stand onto my board like this. Now I'm taking my wire container, turning it upside down, tracing it on foam board and cutting it out. This will act as my base for this container, and I will hot glue it on once I have done this. This will be containing all my lipstick bottles. And once that's done, I'm using these double-sided wall mounts I got from Dollar Tree to help secure it to the board along with some hot glue. And now I just put in all the lipsticks, brushes, and tubed cosmetics, and oh yes, eyeshadow palettes, of course. I hope this was helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below if you liked it or not. And again, thank you for watching.